Welcome back viewers. In this video we will be changing the cam belt without the special tools on the 1 litre TSI petrol engine. This engine is fitted to many VWs, Skodas, Seats and Audis. It is a fairly straightforward job. So let's get started. The first thing to remove is the induction pipe on the top of the engine. This is held in by 2 clips at the front and 2 at the back. The airflow sensor needs disconnecting and there are a few hoses clipped to it. Next up, disconnect the wiring harness on the header tank and release the clips at the top and then lift away. There's 2 hoses near the brake fluid reservoir. These are quick release and can be removed. Here's a close-up of the couplings. These will all now move to the right, giving you access to the upper timing belt cover. There's 2 clips on the upper timing cover, one on the left and one on the right, and a Torx 30 at the top centre. The top cover will now lift away, revealing the upper pulleys and belt. Now remove the left hand bracket, then the bracket holding the pump on the right hand side. Underneath, remove the inner wheel arch liner so that you can remove the auxiliary belt. Using a suitable pin or drill, lock off the tensioner. This can now be removed. Remove the upper alternator bolt and loosen the lower one, and then move the alternator to the right. Now mark up the engine, the cam pulley and the cam belt. Using an impact gun, remove the crankshaft pulley. The lower plastic timing cover can be removed. Now mark up the belt at the bottom like we did on the top. The big engine mount needs removing, so remove the bottom bolt and safely support the engine. Now the upper engine mount can be removed. Remove the 2 top bolts for the engine mount inner casing, then twist it 90 degrees to allow it to lift upwards. Now that that's out of the way, we can release the tensioner. Remove the right hand guide, then the belt can be lifted away. Duplicate your marks on the new timing belt, then refit the tensioner and idler, following by the belt. Turn the tensioner clockwise until the pointer fits in the groove and then tighten. This is now correctly tensioned. Take note of the lug on the back of the tensioner. Place the crankshaft pulley bolt back in the crank and turn the engine 2 full revolutions and then check your timing marks. If everything lines up correctly, you can start to rebuild. If you would like to do this job using the correct locking tools, then you can watch the next video here. This has been how to fix it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe to check out the latest videos. And I will see you on the next one.